PoseX AI is the latest AI software to hit the scene, and in this review, we're diving into the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before you try it out for yourself. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or just an AI enthusiast, you'll want to stick around until the end because I'm about to break down everything that makes PoseX AI a game changer and why it's getting so much buzz right now. First off, PoseX AI is designed to streamline digital marketing and automate a lot of processes that would normally take hours. It's essentially a tool built to improve your efficiency. So if you're looking to free up time and boost your productivity, PoseX could be the solution you've been waiting for. What makes PoseX stand out is its user-friendly interface, which is ideal for people who may not have technical experience but still want to get the most out of AI. With PoseX, you're getting a seamless blend of advanced machine learning that's optimized for simplicity. You don't need to be a tech expert to get results right away, and that's what I like about it. The first thing you'll notice is its content generation capabilities. PoseX uses AI to generate high-quality, optimized content in minutes. Whether it's blog posts, social media updates, or email newsletters, this software can create content that's tailored to your niche. That's crucial for anyone looking to scale their content strategy without losing quality. And the best part? It learns as you use it, improving over time with every piece of content it generates. Another important feature is PoseX's social media management. It integrates with multiple platforms so you can schedule posts, track performance, and even automate replies. It's like having a virtual assistant running your social media presence 24/7, making sure you never miss a beat. PoseX also offers advanced analytics that provides you with actionable insights about your audience and content. It can track how well your posts are performing, which ones are getting engagement, and give you specific suggestions for improvement. It's a gold mine for anyone who wants to take their marketing to the next level, but doesn't have the time to manually analyze data all day. Next up, the software's versatility is a huge plus. PoseX can adapt to various industries. Whether you're in e-commerce, healthcare, or consulting, it's tailored to meet the needs of different business models. This makes it an attractive option for companies of all sizes. You can plug it into your existing workflows without much hassle, and it'll fit right in. As for automation, PoseX AI takes it a step further by automating repetitive tasks. It can help with email marketing campaigns, social media updates, customer follow-ups, and more. Essentially, it takes care of the mundane so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. Now, one of the most exciting aspects of PoseX AI is that you can try it for free. That's right. This software is completely accessible without any upfront investment. Just click the link in the description below to get started. It's a no-brainer for anyone curious about how AI can improve their operations without committing to anything right away. So, to sum it all up, PoseX AI is powerful, user-friendly, and perfect for automating digital marketing tasks. From content creation to social media management and advanced analytics, it's a tool that's worth exploring. If you've tried hundreds of AI tools before but haven't found the right fit, PoseX AI might just be the one you've been looking for. Before you go, make sure to check out my recommended AI software list in the description. After testing thousands of tools, I've gathered the best ones, so you don't have to waste time on anything that doesn't deliver. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.